Hi, I'm Barrie, SMUK. Just want to show you quickly near side truck door window, which is becoming very common now, especially with the new enforcement with direct vision standard coming into London. Most vehicles coming with these now from factory tend to be a fixed kit. In other words, you can't use the passenger window. Here at SMUK we can either convert those or put them in pre-registration under our type approval up to OEM standard and guidelines. I'll just quickly show you now how that operates. So as you can see, the window remains operable. There's no mechanism within the vision of the lower panel. If drivers are worried about staying out at night, there is a blank that can be put in here to obviously keep the driver's privacy in an evening. All of the outer trims are colour coded to the vehicle, whether it be white, red, whatever, and you can see it looks as though it's come straight from factory. If you'd like any more information on this, please contact SMUK or one of my colleagues on the numbers below. Thank you.